People often want to know the relationship between two sets of data in order to determine trends or make predictions. The best way to do that is to have a mathematical model. If you have data and you want to make an equation, you can perform what's called a regression. A regression is used to determine if a relation is linear, quadratic, or exponential. Usually, data from the real world doesn't fit an equation exactly, so you're looking for either the line or the curve of best fit. I'm going to show you how to do this using Desmos. The first step is to insert a table. I'll show you how to do that. The next step is to put your values in the table. Once you do that, you'll see a graph, and you can type in the regression formula. There's one to make a line of best fit, or a parabola of best fit, or an exponential curve of best fit. In Desmos, you can select up here to add in your table, and then you can plug in your values. So I'm just going to copy the values that I have on your handout. And as I plug in my values in the table, you can see I have a scatter plot. To get a line of best fit, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to type in my linear regression, which was y1, and not an equal sign, but a tilde, which is right here, and then mx1 plus b. The reason I use y1 and x1 is because those are the values in my table. So you can see I have a line of best fit that appears over here, and it looks like it fits the data really well. In fact, the r² value tells me that it's a perfect fit. The closer to 1, the better the fit. So I can get a parabola of best fit if I type in my regression y1 tilde a x1 squared plus bx1 plus c. And you can see I have another line that fits it, and my exponential one, y1 tilde a times b to the exponent x1. So now you can see I have an exponential curve of best fit. When you look at the r² values, you can see which one fits the best and which one fits the worst. So the exponential is the worst for this one. The best fit is the line, so my equation is y equals mx plus b, where m is 2 and b is 2. So my equation would be y equals 2x plus 2. If you wanted to write the equation for the exponential relation of best fit, you have to look at the a and b values. The equation is y equals a times b to the exponent x. After performing my regression, I can see that a is 2.54673 and b is 1.47851 for this data. So if I plug in my values for a and b, this would be my equation. If I wanted to make predictions about my data, I could use this equation.